turn pain into power. In a small village surrounded by green fields and dusty roads, there lived a hardworking man named Dhanraj. Dhanraj was known throughout the village for his honesty, kindness, and willingness to help others. He lived with his wife Meera and their young son Chotu in a simple but happy home. Though they were not rich, their house was always filled with love, laughter, and hope. Every morning before sunrise, Dhanraj worked hard in his field to support his family. One year, a terrible drought struck the village and the rains never came. The fields dried up, the crops failed, and farmers began losing their livelihoods. Dhanraj had borrowed money for seeds, hoping for a good harvest, but everything was lost. Without crops to sell, he fell into debt and struggled to provide for his family. The moneylender visited often, demanding repayment and increasing Dhanraj's worries. One evening, he sat alone beside the village well with tears in his eyes. He wondered why hardship had come despite his years of honest work. At that moment, the wise old teacher Hari Baba noticed Dhanraj's sadness. Hari Baba sat beside him and shared an important lesson about life. He said, "Pain is not sent to destroy you, it is sent to test what you will become." Those powerful words stayed in Dhanraj's mind throughout the night. The next morning, he decided to stop worrying and start taking action. Using his skills, Dhanraj began repairing broken farming tools for villagers. People appreciated his honest work and more customers started coming to him. His small repair shed slowly became successful, helping him repay his debts. He rebuilt everything stronger than before and inspired others through his determination. Years later, Dhanraj became successful and taught everyone, turn your pain into power and every setback can become a stepping stone to success. Moral: pain can either break you or build you. When you choose courage and action, pain becomes power. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such educational videos.